What's the meaning of chronological? Chronological. Chronological.
Chronological. Chronological. The word chronological refers to the arrangement of events or dates in the order that they occurred in time. This term is often used when describing historical or biographical information, as it helps to create a sense of continuity and allows readers or listeners to understand the sequence of events more clearly. A chronological presentation of information is useful for understanding cause and effect relationships and identifying patterns over time. It is also commonly used in academic writing, research papers, and textbooks as a way to structure information and ideas in a logical and systematic manner.